Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want your website to show up on Google, attract the right visitors and rank for your services, setting up SEO in GoDaddy Website Builder is essential. In 2026, most SEO issues come from skipping page titles, using generic text, not publishing updates, or misunderstanding what GoDaddy SEO can do and can't do. So we'll avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to set up SEO in GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, open SEO settings in GoDaddy. So log into your GoDaddy account. After you log in, you get into websites, okay, here in this sections, and then you tap edit website, and after that you open, so you will have a page like this, okay. So tap settings and open SEO, okay, so you'll find it somewhere here, settings, SEO settings, okay. So this is the main SEO control center. So inside SEO settings, fill in website title, for example web design services in Rabat or in New York. Keep it under 60 characters, okay. So optimize your home page SEO. So go to pages or home, open page settings SEO, fill in page title, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.